The removal of the Klamath River Dams doesn't mean what you think it does.
It's officially happening. 2 dams in Northern California and 1 dam in Oregon will be removed in the next few years. The headlines make it clear why this is happening.
But there's more to the Klamath River story than just salmon habitat.
Most major river systems follow a pattern. It typically begins up in the mountains, where snowpack melts and runs downhill. Exiting the mountains, the river flows through deep canyons, which often serve as ideal locations for storage reservoirs, before continuing downstream towards flatter, more populated areas. Flatter land means more agriculture, and access to the river means a portion of the water gets used, before what's left over rejoins the ocean.
Around the globe, this is how the majority of river systems work. But the Klamath River is different.
It starts on the east side of the Cascades in Klamath Lake, where it immediately flows into a very lush and flat agriculture area. From there, it crosses the coastal mountains through a series of ever-deepening gorges, before emptying out into the ocean miles from any major city.
This stretch of the Six Rivers National Forest is prime salmon habitat. So while their removal will restore some aspects of the river, it doesn't open up the amount of river miles that a lot of people are under the impression it does. The Klamath has been called an upside-down river, with major agriculture near the headwaters and mountainous habitat near the bottom, which is why